Hi, I'm Mike, smartphonephotographytraining.com. Quick video to show you how to pixelate somebody's face on your phone. Now this app called Pixlr, P-I-X-L-R, is available on your Android, iPhone, tablet, iPad. It's available on all of them. Now what you do is you open up your photo. And from here, you've got the paintbrush you can see at the bottom there. So you tap on the paintbrush and then you tap on Pixelate. And then you've got three options here. You have size, feather, or the cell. So the size is the size of the brush. Feather is the transition between the mosaic look or pixelation look through to where it looks normal again. And cell is basically the size of the squares in the mosaic pixelation. So we'll go size. We'll make it a little bit smaller than the face. Okay, just kind of give it a wipe over the face. And then the cell, you can either increase it or you decrease it. I find the smaller that you can get away with, the better, because it's less distracting, especially if you've got a large group and you just need to remove the faces and identification features. This also works for buildings where there's logos on the buildings, because you have to be really careful of that if you don't have their permission, their branding, car registrations, things like that. There could be some sort of identifiable feature in the image that you just want to get rid of, and this is super easy. Then you press tick, done. And then you can save it to your camera roll or straight to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. So that's gone straight through to there. If you want to blur the whole background, then I've got a blog on that and a few videos that show you different apps that you can do that. So it's just fantastic. Thanks for joining me. See you in the next video.